Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Mike and his little cousin, Sophie, go to the zoo on a sunny Saturday morning. Sophie is 6 years old. She loves animals very much. She wears a pink hat. The hat is bright and colorful. Sophie carries a small notebook. She wants to write about the animals she sees. They arrive at the zoo at 10 a.m. They buy their tickets and enter. At the entrance, there is a big map of the zoo. Mike looks at the map. He turns to Sophie and asks, "Where do you want to go first?" Sophie smiles big and says, "Monkeys." She is very excited to see the monkeys. They walk quickly to the monkey area. When they arrive, they see many monkeys swinging on ropes. They also see monkeys eating fruit. One monkey jumps high and makes a very funny face. Sophie laughs a lot and says, "He's so silly." She writes in her notebook, "Monkeys jump and play a lot." Next, they go to the lion enclosure. They see a big lion lying under a tree. The lion looks very strong. Two lionesses are walking around the area. Mike says, "Wow, they look strong." Sophie nods and adds, "And sleepy." Suddenly, the lion roars loudly. The sound is very big. Sophie gets scared and covers her ears. "That was loud," she exclaims. After the lions, they visit the giraffes. One giraffe is eating leaves from a tall tree. Sophie points at the giraffe and says, "Look at its long neck." She thinks it is amazing. She writes, "Giraffes can eat from very high places." They stop for lunch near the picnic area. They sit on a bench. They enjoy their lunch and the nice view of the zoo. It is a peaceful moment. In the afternoon, they visit the penguins. The penguins are waddling around. They also see elephants spraying water with their trunks. Then they visit the snakes. Sophie is a little scared of the snakes, but she still writes about them. "I learned so much today," she says proudly. Before leaving, they go to the gift shop. Mike buys a small stuffed elephant for Sophie. "Thank you," Sophie says with a big smile on her face. It was a great day, full of fun and learning. At the zoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.